Here's how to check the transmission fluid on a Chevy truck. First, get it fully warmed up according to those rules right there, and then park it with the engine running. Put the parking brake on, put it in park. Put your foot on the brake pedal, move the shift lever through each gear range, pausing for about 3 seconds in each range. So I'm going to give it enough time in each gear that you feel the transmission go into that gear. Then put it in park. And then we let it run for 3 minutes. So it has a flipper on it that you have to flip off. Like that. Pull it out.
Then wipe off the dipstick and stick it back in the hole. Leave it there for 3 seconds and then pull it out again to read the level.
And you want it to look like this. So you want to be sure that the fluid goes up to the top of the hot range, and then you're good. And there is no fill hole other than that hole, so if you need to add fluid, you need a funnel, and you need to funnel it down that hole and then check the fluid until it's up to the top of the marker on the dipstick.